What if I told you that there is a new layer 2 that could make early testers some serious money? RiseChain is backed by A60Z and Paradigm, built for ultra-low latency and plus 50K TPS speeds. The testnet is live right now. I'll walk you through how to join the RiseChain testnet step by step so you can start interacting and position yourself for potential airdrops later. First, head over to its faucet. We need to get the testnet tokens. I have put the link in the description of the video so you can join our Telegram channel and grab the link there. There are many links for this airdrop, and also I'll put the updates in our Telegram channel. You can join easily using the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel. I put a link in the description of this video. You can see the links there. Also, you can keep in touch with us, and there's a Telegram group. You can talk with each other and also stay up to date with the world of the airdrops and testnets and free crypto. So here we need to paste our MetaMask wallet address in this place. You can use this, and then you will need to select the tokens. For now, you can select Ethereum, Mockcoin, and Wrapped Bitcoin in order to receive them for free. And you can receive them every 1 hour. So every 16 minutes, you can come to this website and claim free tokens. Each time you will need to verify that you are a human being, and if this captcha didn't work for you, just change your VPN or use another IP, it will load. Then you can request tokens. After that, we need to get their Discord roles. We need to claim their Discord roles. In order to enter their Discord, I have put a link in the in our Telegram channel. You can join in the description. Here, you will need to agree their rules by checking this button and submit. And you can close. And you will need to get verified. You will need to come to server, which is named verify, start verification, select the correct option. It says that please select a comment on the menu below. After getting verified, you need to come to roles section. Here you can get 3 roles: game, engage, and meme lover. So then enter the third website that I put the link for you guys so you can join easily. This is the gas pump. First of all, you will need to connect your MetaMask. Hit the connect button and connect it. So you can see that I have already some tokens. You can choose between them. For example, Ethereum. I will use Ethereum to get W Ethereum. And I will put the amount in this section just like this. Okay, then you will need to switch to Rise Sepolia network, just approve it, and that's it. Now that we changed our network, we'll need to review the swap and confirm it in our MetaMask wallet. Just confirm it like this and confirm transaction. Okay, here you can see that transaction was successful, but it says no because I didn't have any WETH in my wallet. But here you can see that my balance has increased. If you face any problem in this website, you can reload the website and that will be solved. Also, you can use the mock token to get some ETH. Just type 2 or 20 and the pro. You will get some Ethereum on this network. Just confirm it and approve the transaction in your wallet, confirm it, and that's it. Just come to this website daily and do these transactions a few times so that you will be distinguished as active participant of this airdrop. Then we will need to provide liquidity to their pool. You can add to the already existing pools or create a new pool. In this section, we'll need to add some liquidity to their pool, to the already existing pools. For example, Rise and WBTC. I think we have WBTC, and yeah, we will need Rise. So we can swap here. Swap 50 tokens of MOG to Rise. Just confirm the transaction. And yeah. And then you can come to the pool section, click on add. Here you will need to enter the amount, for example 25%, and you will need to approve both Rise and WBTC. Confirm. Approve WBTC. Confirm. Then you'll need to supply. Click on confirm and confirm the transaction. It's really important to have some transactions like this in our wallet. It doesn't matter if you put all of your balance or 20% or 10% of your balance. The balance is not important. The count of the transactions are more important actually. Then you can confirm another transaction, confirm it, or you can use other pools and other tokens. If you come to my liquidity here, you can see the liquidities that you have added already. After that, come to this website. I put all the links in the description. You can join and see all the links there in our Telegram channel. Here, you'll need to click on Browser Wallet in order to see the MetaMask there. Click Connect, and here you will be connected to this website. In this website, we can deposit our tokens or assets in this website, and then we can borrow some other assets from this website. And then we can pay back what we have borrowed. And we are creating some transactions using this website. So you need to deposit some of your tokens that you have got from the faucet. Don't forget that you can get faucet every 60 minutes. Now you need to write down the amount that you want to deposit. I want to deposit about this, and you need to approve WBTC. Here, you need to sign transaction in your wallet, then deposit WBTC and confirm it in your wallet again. So you can add to wallet and then okay, close. Okay, you can do it with other tokens here like Ethereum, like Ethereum, just like that. And for example, here I have deposit WBTC, so I want to borrow USDT for that or USDC for that. So here I click on USDC and I type 2. Okay, don't write big numbers. You have 8, okay, and I choose 2 for that. Now you can borrow USDC. It says that there was some error. Please try changing the parameters. I write 1, borrow USDC, and now it is done. Don't write huge numbers in the section. Here you can add it to wallet, add token, and okay, close. That's it. So I have borrowed some USDC from this website, and I have already deposited some WBTC. So I want to repay half of my USDC to the website. I'm paying back my debt. So I approve this, and here is the transaction. Then I repay USDT. It says that there was a problem, but transaction was confirmed. Okay, transaction was confirmed. So there are some bugs in this website, but that's okay. We need to just sign some transactions and have some transactions in our wallet to consider it as an active member. After that, you can come to the next website that I put a link in the description. You can enter. You will need to connect your MetaMask wallet again in this website. Click on connect. This website is pretty simple. You need to connect your wallet, then you need to be in the Rise testnet. Here, we're gonna have some swaps using this website. Place the order, limit, confirm, and also you can do swaps, not limits. You can choose any amount, confirm the swap in your wallet, and that's it. Do a few transactions in this website, and then you can come to this section. And also, when you click on your wallet, you can see the history of your transactions. Then click on the link that I provided for you guys in our Telegram post. You can join using the link in our description. Come to this website, connect your MetaMask wallet, and then you'll need to sign a message in your MetaMask. That's it. Now you can come to the editions, and we are creating NFT on this network. You'll need to just create a project name, token symbol, a description about it, what it is, and then you can add a media or a picture for your NFT, and then you will need to deploy to Rise testnet. As you can see, I've written something here. Then you need to deploy to Rise testnet. So it's uploading image, then creating edition collection. So here you need to confirm this transaction, saving to DB, and here it is. This is my NFT in this wallet. So I have the transaction of minting an NFT on this network. Then we will go to the next website. Okay, here we can mint our passport on Rise network. So first we will need to connect our Discord to this website. Then our wallet will be connected to this website. You need to authorize. After authorizing your Discord, you need to connect your wallet and using MetaMask and connect. Now you're ready to mint your Rise Passport NFT. Mint here. Also, you can see all the links in the description of this video. Here it says that minting failed, but actually transaction is confirmed, and we have already minted this passport for ourselves. To see if you have minted the passport or no, you can come to the home section. You can here go to mint, and here it checks and says that your Rise passport is live and your digital identity is secured on blockchain, and this is it. And here you can see your minted NFT. The last but not the least is the layer 3 website that I put a link for you guys in description. You can join it. Here you need to sign up, continue with Google. You choose your Google account, then you continue. So if this is your first time using this website, you need to create an account and connect your wallet. You can say GM every day in this website and have a staking strike. Maybe they will give you some reward additional to our main airdrop. So here you can continue and learning crypto airdrops, what you like in layer 3 to see. You can set up a recovery for your wallet using Google. So after that, you can click again on the link. If you have created your account, then you need to choose MetaMask wallet and confirm it. Connection between your MetaMask and this website. Here you can see that Rise is a new Ethereum layer 2 designed for speed and scale. So let's continue. So here it asks us a question. What core challenge does Rise aim to solve compared to other Ethereum layer 2? Here you will choose the second one, execution bottlenecks, then continue. Here it asks which of the following is one of Rise performance improvements. Continuous block, pipelining, continue. Here it asks what performance milestone does Rise target over 100K transaction per second. Continue. So here you can click on this option here. It says open capital. Then you can come back, continue. And that's it. Here are your rewards. Here for minting this cube, it will need a little fee about this much Ethereum to mint the cube. On base, you can do it or you can skip it. I think I have this much Ethereum on base, so I click on mint cube. And if you have Ethereum in your MetaMask, you need to choose external wallet here. So you need to switch to base in your external wallet and then mint the cube. Here it asks me for 25 cents on Ethereum on base network. Okay. And 25 cents sent to this address. And now I'm into the cube. And that's all. Transaction confirmed, close extension, continue. It says that you unlocked Rise Infinity SpeedX layer, continue, and next up. So that's all for this airdrop, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon so that you can get informed about the new airdrops and new free crypto opportunities. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and see you. Bye-bye.